If you are finding it difficult to access the Canva Pro, welcome. You are at the right place. Before we continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gosri Waltz, and I would like you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop new updates, you'll be the first to get it. And as you can see, this is my Canva profile. This is my Canva, and it's showing paid. It's showing premium for me to pay because it's not yet. I don't have access to most of these tools. Like most of these updates, you can see it says I should pay for it. Like if I click on this theme, okay, now it's telling me I should pay. I should get 30-day free trial to tell you that it's not pro now. Okay, without wasting much of your time, what you will do is if you're using the browser or you are using the app, you just have to log out. How to log out? You just click on these three dots and you scroll. Okay, click. Then you click on this arrow. When you click it, it will tell you. Okay, it will show you. There's a logout button below. That's this. You click on this to log out. So I will be using my app. I will not be using the website. Okay, this is my Canva app. Wait for it to load. Okay, already I'm logged out. These are my other accounts, free accounts. So already I'm logged out. What you should do first, now that I'm logged out, you should log out from your Canva app. What you should do is you go to your browser, any of your browser. Okay, a fresh browser. Then you go to the website and type you can type it or you can search for Ozam, or you can still do you can go to www.ozam.com. You see, I already have it here. Or if I want to search, I can just search the Ozam and it will come up. Then this, you see it as the first website. You click on it. After clicking on it, you wait for it to load. Then you sign up. To sign up, you can use your name, your email, and your phone number and password. But for me, since I am okay, since this is a tutorial, what I'll do is I'll just put a random name. Let me say John, the email, John tests, John test at gmail.com. Then phone number. You're in Nigeria, so you can just put your Nigerian phone number. So I'll be putting a random phone number. Okay. Then password. I'll still be putting a random password. Then you click on register. Wait for it to load. Okay. They say the email is already registered. I can put number to it. Then put the random password and click register again and wait for it to okay. I'm in. So this is it. If you're enjoying this video, kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Okay, after registering, you see your dashboard which says welcome. Your name will be there. So I use John in registering. So you will see this place showing click here to activate Canva. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, it will take you to okay where you get this login page. It says steps to activate free Canva Pro. Visit official website and click login. So we already have our app opened, ready to log in. So what we'll do is this email, you copy the email given to you. This is the email. You copy it, then come to your app, either the one on browser on okay, either the one on browser. So I'm going to use the one on the web. So I'll minimize and go to the Canva on the web, which is I already logged out my previous account. So I'll click on continue with another account, then click on continue with email, then I'll paste in the email. Okay, it's here already. Then I'll click continue. You wait for a code. Okay, a code has been sent. Okay, a code has been sent to us. So you minimize and go back to the app. That's this. Then you say Canva asks for 6-digit verification code. Use this link below. So you click on this link now to get the verification code. After you click on it, the first code that's at the top, you copy it, then minimize back and go back to the Canva, either the app or the browser. You click on paste. Tada, we are there already. Congratulations. We've already signed in, and here is your Canva Pro. You can do it on your browser and you can do it on your app. Okay, if I click on these themes, you will see that, okay, design together. You see that everything is free. They didn't ask us. Okay, you can see that everything is free. Okay, let me click on the template. If I click on the template, you see that, okay, everything. Normally, if it is the paid version, you will see this king logo. It will be gold or brown or something like that, but you can see everything is paid. I can access anything without me paying for it. You see, I can edit anything, video, the AI, like the pro, everything. I have them for free now. You can now do anything you want to do with it. Look at it. Okay, let me say if I choose this. Normally, if you click on any pro, if you click on any pro design, it will tell you to pay. But this, okay, I have it for free. I just clicked on it and design is loading. Okay, here it is. Okay, okay, it's fully loaded. Now here is the design, and you can just do anything you want to do with it. Like, it's free. You understand? You don't need to pay for anything. Like your brown, any edit you want to add, like you have access to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Please comment your thought below, and any question you want to ask, I will be glad to answer them. You will get the link on my on the description button below. Thank you.